Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to create drop downs in Google Sheets. So I already opened my Google Sheet. For example, I want to make option 1, option 2, option 3. I want to make a cell that contain these options, and then it must be the drop downs, or you just click and then find the options you want. So just right click on any cell you want to place it, and then view more cell actions, and then click this data validation, and then here you can see there is an option, or there are of criteria, and then there are options like this. For example, I want to create a list from a range, so I click this one and then click this rectangle, and then you just drag your option. I have 3 options. Click OK and then click save. Now I have the option, the drop downs with 3 options. So the other way is, if you don't want to create the database like this, the call database, and then you just click view more selection, data validation, and then click this list of items. So you can type in here what is your option. For example, A B C D, and then E F G H, and then I J K L, and then click save. Now I have this drop down without any database, without any call other cells. Okay, this is very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.